Hello.
Oh,
Sweet.
Alrighty.
oh,
And these work and everything?
yep.
Cool. And that one, this one said free.
75.
Yep. There's 8. Let me see if I got any change on me.
825.
825. 825.
I can't think. I'm so cold. I'm numb.
Are you? Yeah, it's a little bit chillier today than it was yesterday.
Especially just sitting here.
Yeah, I'm sure it is
Oh,
if you're
let me
just
get
sitting
you
still.
There you go.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
I'm going to work on it.
Yes, get warmer, hopefully. Score! There was a townwide garage sale in my town, and I drove by a bunch of them before I started the video, and it all just kind of looked like baby stuff. So I looked on the yard sale treasure map, and I found the town next to me, like town over, was also having a townwide today. So I went over to that town, and I'm glad I did. This was my first stop, and I got this purse for $3, and I'll show you on Amazon what it sells for. So they sell for $18.99 to $25. So that's going to be a pretty good score there. It's a, what did they call it? Genuine U.S. military USAF Navy Army woman's cross body handbag purse is what this is. The one in the picture looks like it's brown. This one's, oh, I guess it is brown. It's just a very weird brown. It's like a brown black. And then the books, I was extremely surprised about. Both the books I got are going for around 30 bucks used on Amazon. I paid 25 cents for this one, and I got this one for free. Starting to get into this book stuff. I'm finding ones that are selling, and I've sold some this week actually. This monkey one, brand new, sells for like 75 bucks. I have to clean it up just slightly. It doesn't have the CD-ROM in it though, which is gonna bring down the value, so I'll probably end up selling that one on eBay. But brand new, that one sells for 75 bucks. And let's see. And then this one was Love Can Build a Bridge, Naomi Judd. And these used sell for $33. So I was like, heck yeah. 33.32 is the highest that these sell for. And I paid 25 cents for it. Next to a cemetery, middle of nowhere. Wow, it's somewhere. Nope, just looking.
Okay.
I'm gonna probably take a few of them.
Okay.
Sure.
Grandma had these guys.
Oh yeah.
Now you can hide it
Perfect.
for Christmas.
Perfect.
All right, were you all set?
Yes, I
Okay.
think so. Oops. 60. Will you take 70? Okay. Oh, awesome. All right. Thank you. Yes, those are the type of sales I like. I overheard that They had inherited that stuff. So they were giving it away, you know, pretty cheap. They knew that the American Girl dolls did have some value. So I paid $35 a piece for them. And then I got the dog for free because she said $75 and I said $70. So, yeah, both of the American Girl dolls, though, will each sell up to $200. Dolls are in perfect condition. They're still sealed in there, in the packages and everything. This one was Grace 2015 and Truly Me number 86. And all I was enjoying it. Alrighty.
Oh, I'm so glad someone can use those speakers.
Oh, heck yeah, that's awesome.
We bought them and we couldn't return them on Amazon, and I'm like, honey, we spent $100 on them.
Oh,
Trying to
no.
sell them.
Why couldn't you return them? They didn't.
It was like a year later. We bought them for the camper. And then they didn't fit in the campers. They were the wrong size. So
Gotcha.
we did open it just to see if it fit, and it didn't fit.
Yeah. That was 40, right?
40.
Yeah, there was a little sign on it. I think it fell off. 40? Oh, my 40. 42. All right, thank you.
Have a good rest of your shopping day.
Yes, you too. Hopefully you get some more sales. What? So that was a pretty good day. We got a few great items that had some really great profit on them. I listed those speakers for $120. I was thinking about sending them to Amazon, but I decided to go eBay with them. So they're at $120 right now, or maybe $140 right now. I'd like to get 100 out of them at the minimal. The 4 Xbox games that I picked up, the only good one out of that was the Halo, but they were 50 cents, so I just grabbed them all, except for the Maddens. I don't like the Maddens. They don't sell. The Halo one went up for like $17.99, I believe it was. But guess what already sold? The first, this is the retired one. It was the Truly Me 86. She's got the awesome purple hair. I freaking love her hair. She's styling. Me and the lady went back and forth for a while, and we ended up at $170 plus shipping. I wanted the minimum of $200 for her, but she sent me an offer of $165. I went back with $180, and then she came back with me with a message asking if I would take $160. So I went ahead and I took the I took the $170. She came back at $170, and I took that. So that was $170 plus shipping, and it only took, I believe, 2 days after I had it listed. So not bad flip, real quick, good money. Thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. I always have fun taking you guys along with me. I will be back on Wednesday. We have Reseller Madness as our special guest this week on You Might Be a Reseller If. So make sure you go check that out Wednesday, noon Central Time. And I will see you on the next video.